The hidden downsides of air fryers. What sellers don't tell you. Think air fryers are the ultimate kitchen miracle? Think again. While these devices are celebrated for their guilt-free fried food, there's a hidden side to the story that retailers rarely discuss, and it could change how you view your next kitchen upgrade. Let's peel back the marketing hype and explore what really happens after you unbox that shiny new appliance. The price tag will shock you, and not in a good way. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Air fryers aren't the budget-friendly swap for your oven that ads suggest. Premium models with decent capacity easily hit $300 to $400, dwarfing the cost of basic deep fryers or even multi-use microwaves. But here's where it gets controversial. Many buyers assume higher prices mean better quality. Spoiler alert, they don't. Some pricier units crack, malfunction, or collect dust after just months of use. Imagine spending hundreds on a gadget that becomes a countertop decoration. Ouch. Space hog alert, your kitchen isn't ready. Air fryers are the SUVs of small appliances. Bulky, diminutive, and awkward to park. Take the popular Ninja Foodie 10.1 quart model. Its sheer size can overwhelm apartment kitchens, forcing you to sacrifice prep space or elbow room. And this is the part most people miss. Even compact models often demand permanent counter real estate. Try hiding one in a cabinet and you'll quickly realize why many owners resign themselves to daily clutter. Family meals? Prepare for a time sink. Air fryers shine for solo snacks but crumble under family-sized demands. Most baskets max out at 2 to 3 servings, turning dinner prep into a marathon of batch cooking. Picture this. You're shaking fries every 10 minutes while your hungry kids ask, "Is it ready yet?" And if you overload the basket, say hello to half raw potato wedges and soggy chicken tenders. The noise nobody warns you about. Ever tried having a conversation next to a jet engine? That's what using an air fryer feels like. Their roaring fans disrupt open concept living spaces, making quiet mornings or movie nights a battle. Pros it, don't even think about running it during a Zoom call. Safety risks hidden in plain sight. Not all air fryers are created equal, and some could put your home at risk. Lesser-known brands sometimes use subpar wiring or unstable bases, creating fire hazards. One Reddit user shared how their unit sparked mid-cycle, all because of a frayed cord. Scary, right? Always check for certifications, but even then, the cleaning myth. Dishwasher safe doesn't mean effortless. Grease clings to mesh baskets like glue, and burnt-on crumbs demand military-grade scrubbing. Skip one cleaning session, and you'll face a crusty mess that's harder to remove than old wallpaper. The texture let down. Air fryers promise crispy fries, but often deliver limp imitations. Without oil's magic touch, foods like chicken wings or zucchini chips can turn dry or uneven. And don't get me started on baked goods. Muffins emerge denser than hockey pucks. The durability lottery. Will your air fryer last 5 years or 5 months? It's a gamble. Flimsy handles, cracked lids, and glitchy touchscreens plague even mid-tier models. When repairs cost half the original price, replacement feels inevitable. The bottom line is the hype justify. Air fryers have merits, but glossing over these flaws does buyers a disservice. Before purchasing, ask yourself, am I ready to trade convenience for noise, space, and inconsistent results? And here's a hot take. Could a simple convection oven or stovetop skillet actually serve you better? Now it's your turn. Do you still think air fryers are worth the investment? Or have these drawbacks turned you off? Drop a comment below. Let's debate the real cost of healthy frying. Unlocking the power of the Bosch Series 6 air fryer. Healthy cooking made easy. Healthy home cooking just got smarter. And that's shaking up the kitchen appliance world. Ready for a kitchen upgrade that promises both culinary convenience and healthier meals? That's exactly what the Bosch Series 6 air fryer delivers. As Bosch, well known for their tech-driven home innovations, takes a bold step into the red-hot air fryer market. And this is the part most people miss. With a huge 7.2-litre cooking capacity, this appliance isn't just about small, single portions. It's designed to feed families or groups of up to 5 people in one go, making it an absolute game-changer for busy weeknight dinners or weekend gatherings. What sets the Bosch Series 6 apart is more than its size. Its intuitive touchscreen interface, transparent viewing window, and clever basket design all work together to provide an experience that feels as premium as it is effortless. No more guessing if your fries or veggies are done. Just peek through the window. The controls are as simple as tapping your preferred setting on a sleek touch panel. making this appliance easy for both tech-savvy cooks and beginners alike. Here's where it gets controversial. The Bosch Series 6 is advertised to use 95% less oil compared to traditional frying and other conventional cooking methods. That's a huge shift for anyone used to rich, oil-laden recipes. But does cutting down on oil compromise flavor and texture? Some purists argue nothing matches the taste of deep-fried food, while health-conscious cooks celebrate this shift toward minimal fat cooking. Who's right? That's a debate heating up kitchens everywhere. Another feature that stands out: no need for preheating. This not only saves precious minutes when you're in a rush, but also means less electricity wasted, reinforcing the air fryer's reputation as an eco-friendly alternative. It's easy to see why air fryers are dominating countertop space in homes, especially when efficiency and quick meal prep are top priorities. And let's not forget affordability. Bosch positions its Series 6 air fryer under the £100 mark, making it accessible while still packing in top-tier features. With a suite of convenient preset cooking options, meal times become less stressful and more streamlined, meaning even novice cooks can turn out crispy, delicious dishes with minimal guesswork. Trend watch. What does this mean for the industry? 1. Oil-free cooking revolution. The air fryer's nearly oilless operation is leading a transformation in how people prepare meals at home. It begs the question, are we seeing the slow death of traditional frying in favor of lighter, healthier fare? 2. Convenience-driven design. Features like easy-to-navigate touchscreens and one-touch cooking programs are quickly transitioning from luxury add-ons to must-have standards in modern kitchen gear. 3. Big capacity, small footprint. Households today crave appliances that can both handle big batches and fit comfortably in tight spaces. The rise of large capacity air fryers is a direct answer to that need, especially for growing families or shared households. Industry shakeups. Home appliance manufacturers find themselves at a crossroads. Continue focusing on conventional appliances, or capitalize on the air fryer boom by reimagining what small kitchen electronics can do. Health and wellness sectors love the air fryer's appeal to people seeking practical, user-friendly ways to lower dietary fat intake. Will more kitchen brands pivot in this direction? Smart home integration is the next frontier. With features like programmable settings and digital interfaces, air fryers are becoming part of a larger trend toward connected, smarter kitchens. But here's an angle that could stir debate. With so many air fryers flooding the market, are brands truly delivering innovation, or just repackaging the same basic tech with different looks and gimmicks? And when it comes to taste, are we sacrificing traditional joys for health claims that might not satisfy everyone's palate? What's your take? Does the quest for convenience and health outweigh the flavor of classic fried foods? Would you make the switch? Dive into the comments and let us know where you stand on the oil-free cooking debate.